Thank you for joining us on Sozo Firm Insights. Our topic today is titled, How Office Lighting Affects Productivity.
Office lighting is often treated as a purely functional consideration, something that simply allows people to see their work. In reality, lighting is a powerful environmental factor that directly influences productivity, focus, health, and overall employee well-being. For organizations seeking to improve performance and engagement, lighting design is not a cosmetic detail. It is a strategic investment. As work environments evolve to include open offices, hybrid workspaces, and wellness-centered design, understanding how lighting affects human performance has become increasingly important. Let's briefly explore the science behind office lighting, examining its impact on productivity, and then I'll discuss some practical strategies which organizations can use to optimize their work environments.
The science behind lighting and human performance.
Light plays a critical role in regulating the human circadian rhythm, the internal clock that governs sleep, alertness, and energy levels. Exposure to appropriate lighting during the day helps maintain alertness and cognitive performance, while poor or insufficient lighting can disrupt these rhythms, leading to fatigue and reduced concentration. Natural light, in particular, has been shown to improve mood, energy, and alertness. It stimulates the production of serotonin, a hormone associated with well-being, and helps regulate melatonin, which controls sleep cycles. When employees lack adequate exposure to natural or high-quality artificial light, they may experience sluggishness, headaches, or difficulty focusing. Lighting also affects visual comfort, which directly impacts productivity. Glare, shadows, flickering, or insufficient illumination can strain the eyes, causing discomfort and reducing the ability to perform detailed tasks efficiently.
Natural light and its impact on productivity.
Among all lighting types, natural daylight is consistently linked to higher levels of employee satisfaction and performance. Offices with ample daylight exposure often report increased alertness and focus, improved mood and morale, reduced eye strain and headaches, lower absenteeism. Natural light also supports healthier sleep patterns, which indirectly boosts productivity by improving energy and cognitive performance during work hours. Employees who work near windows often report higher job satisfaction and a stronger sense of connection to their environment. However, unmanaged natural light can create challenges. Excessive brightness, glare on computer screens, or heat gain can reduce comfort. Effective daylight strategies balance exposure with controls such as blinds, shades, and thoughtful workstation placement.
Artificial lighting. Quality matters.
When natural light is limited or unavailable, artificial lighting becomes the primary driver of visual comfort and productivity. Color temperature is a key consideration. Measured in Kelvin, it affects how warm or cool a light appears. Warm light, 2700 to 3000 Kelvin, promotes relaxation and is better suited for break areas or informal spaces. Neutral light, 3500 to 4100 Kelvin, supports general office work and collaboration. Cool light, 5000 to 6500 Kelvin, enhances alertness and is ideal for task-intensive or detail-oriented work. Lighting that is too warm can make employees feel drowsy, while lighting that is too cool or harsh can cause discomfort or stress. The goal is to match lighting conditions to the type of work being performed. Brightness levels are equally important. Insufficient light forces employees to strain their eyes, while overly bright environments can cause glare and fatigue. Balanced, evenly distributed lighting supports sustained focus and reduces errors.
The role of lighting in different work activities.
Different tasks require different lighting conditions, and a one-size-fits-all approach often falls short. Focused, individual work benefits from adjustable task lighting that allows employees to control brightness and direction. Collaborative spaces work best with even, neutral lighting that supports face-to-face interaction without harsh shadows. Creative environments may benefit from flexible lighting options that encourage comfort and inspiration. Conference rooms require balanced lighting that supports discussion, presentations, and screen visibility. Providing employees with some degree of control over their lighting, such as desk lamps or adjustable fixtures, has been shown to increase satisfaction and perceived productivity.
Health, comfort, and long-term performance.
Poor lighting does more than reduce short-term productivity. It can have lasting health implications. Common issues linked to inadequate office lighting include eye strain and headaches, neck and shoulder tension due to poor posture, fatigue and reduced mental clarity, increased stress and irritability. Over time, these factors can contribute to burnout, disengagement, and higher turnover. Conversely, well-designed lighting supports physical comfort and mental resilience, enabling employees to perform consistently at a high level. Modern lighting systems that reduce flicker and provide consistent illumination can also help minimize discomfort for employees who are sensitive to visual stimuli or who spend extended hours in front of screens.
Lighting and remote, hybrid work environments.
As remote and hybrid work become more common, lighting considerations extend beyond the traditional office. Employees working from home may lack proper lighting, relying on overhead fixtures or dim spaces not designed for prolonged work. Organizations can support productivity by educating employees on home office lighting best practices, such as positioning desks near natural light sources, avoiding backlighting that causes screen glare, using adjustable task lighting, choosing appropriate bulb color temperatures. Some organizations even offer stipends or guidance for home office setup, recognizing that lighting is a key factor in remote performance.
Sustainability and energy efficiency considerations.
Productive lighting does not have to come at the expense of sustainability. LED lighting systems offer energy efficiency, long lifespans, and improved light quality compared to older technologies. Smart lighting systems can adjust brightness based on occupancy or daylight levels, reducing energy use while maintaining comfort. By aligning productivity goals with sustainability initiatives, organizations can reduce operating costs and demonstrate environmental responsibility, an increasingly important consideration for employees, donors, and stakeholders.
Creating a lighting strategy that supports productivity.
To optimize office lighting, organizations should take a strategic approach. Assess existing lighting conditions and employee feedback. Maximize access to natural light where possible. Match lighting types to specific tasks and spaces. Provide adjustability and employee control. Incorporate energy-efficient technologies. Lighting upgrades do not always require a full redesign. Incremental improvements, such as replacing outdated fixtures, adding task lighting, or adjusting layouts, can deliver meaningful benefits.
In conclusion,
Office lighting is a foundational element of workplace productivity that is too often overlooked. By influencing focus, comfort, mood, and health, lighting directly affects how employees perform and how they experience their work environment. Organizations that invest in thoughtful lighting design send a clear message. Employee well-being and performance matter. Whether in a corporate headquarters, non-profit office, or home workspace, the right lighting conditions can unlock higher productivity, better engagement, and a more sustainable, effective workplace.
you've been listening to Sozo Firm Insights. For over 20 years, we've been providing strategic growth and leadership insights for businesses, nonprofit organizations, government agencies, and higher education institutions. Thank you for joining us.